Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin update today. So I want to talk about Bitcoin because it's important, and at the moment we're still trading at 59,790. Bitcoin has been extraordinary, of course. Okay, so ever since back at December 2022, we've had a huge move. We've made a new all-time high as well, and I think September is about to end. Like very soon. What I meant to say is that if September ends, Q3 also ends. So Q3 is about to come to an end, and one more thing is that in October we will start an official, probably the official bull run where altcoins may actually explode. So I want to say some few things. I'm going to do technical analysis, of course. Okay, let's actually do technical analysis, and then I'm going to do the second thing. So first thing first. Now, when you have a channel, okay, because I do see that we're having a channel at the moment, and I'm going to go into the tools, and this is why I'm using the phone so that you guys can also get to see that you do have a tool called parallel channel. Now, if you take parallel channel and you mark the first upper resistance and you mark this and then you drop it down like that, then you are going to find a little bit of this thing that is actually going on. So I'm just going to try to set this up as proper as possible, and I think that this right here looks a little bit perfect. Okay, now when you have a parallel channel, it actually looks like this, okay? And it looks like a road, like a highway, where you have the middle dash lines as well. So when you have a car moving towards this area and you want to overtake a car, then you have to move to the right to go to the upside. Now, of course, to move to the right, you really have to cross the dash lines, okay? So you can actually cross like this, and then boom, then you can go to the upside, right? So to move, which means to move to the other place, you have to cross the middle line to go to the other place. So the channel is no different. You can see that when you have a channel, you also have the middle dash line. Now, if this is your resistance and that's your support, now this middle line also have a lot of influence. Now, for example, I can say that it can actually act as support and pump it up. It can also act as resistance and dump it down. It can act as resistance and then drop it down as well. Now, of course, here as well, you can see it actually acted as the resistance, and then it dropped to the downside. Now, at this point of time, Bitcoin is struggling to get above the middle line. Okay, you've actually pumped from the support, and the middle line is actually acting as resistance, which means your car is not overtaking to the other side. It's being actually blocked. The thing is that we might end up seeing Bitcoin coming down again, probably, and of course make it all the way, maybe even down to these weeks, which can actually be even 49k, 48k or something like that. I'm just going to try to make this a little bit like that, and that actually looks much more better to me. So at the moment, yes, if we end up just dropping a little bit lower to the downside right there, this can actually happen, and then from here make the final move, take the wicks out, and then finally go to the upside and continue even higher. Now, the reason why I say maybe get down one more time is because, of course, September can still be pretty damn bad. And now this is where I have to make the second comment. The second comment is that August and September, I have keep saying this again and again. These are just not amazing month in crypto, and that should not let you be demotivated at all, because you cannot really have a bright future without having some tough time. I'm not doing motivational quotes here. No, I'm telling you straight to your face what the actual truth really is, because I've seen this again and again. I've actually spent a bull run before, and this is the exact same thing, just repeating again. The exact same emotions of people, where 90% of the people are just going to get tired and run away because they didn't get their money the easy way. And they wanted it the easy way and they couldn't get it. And then in the future, these are the same people who will be kicking their heads or smash their heads on the wall because they just could not hold onto something, right? I just want to save you from being that kind of a guy. I just want to tell you that yes, markets are designed like this. Let alone crypto, look at stocks, look at Forex, they also have the same bear market, and they've had since 1970s, okay, since 1920s. Trading goes 100 years way back. So I'm telling you a data of 100 years. These times are there, months, couple of months, years, couple of years. They tend to push you down. They tend to make you want to quit. But then again, it's not just a good idea, because at some point, again, as I say, Q4 is going to be an amazing time. Why do I say Q4? Go to Bitcoin history and look at the last 3 months of every year. You're going to see it has been the best months ever. And then go back and look at August and September. They have been the worst months ever. So if it's happening again and this is going to let you down, man, it's just a part of the script. It's not a big deal. So I don't know if you want to be down or not. And the last thing is that the market tends to be choppy. They tend to be sideways during these times, and they will create self-doubt. They will make you think that everything is dead. That's how you're going to think. But it just take one damn good month and you may see everything recovering in just 1 month. Okay, and then you are following. So I'm looking forward for the next 13 months. I think the bull run is going to stay for the next 13 months, because after halving we have like 18 months of bull run, which actually extends to September next year, 2025. So if in 13 months we don't see anything, man, I lose. I've lost. I cannot convince you. Never even listen to me again. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.